Hi guys, Jessica here with Farmhouse Flair, and today I just wanted to share with you some things that I purchased at the depot at the Gibson mill. And I hope you guys enjoyed being able to do sort of a walkthrough with me at the antique mall. I had so much fun, and I was able to go with my sister and my mom and visit with them and have a lot of fun. They actually live in South Carolina, but we drove up to North Carolina for the day to go to this huge antique mall in Concord, North Carolina. So I'm going to share with you the things that I purchased there, and I hope you enjoyed the little walkthrough tour video. It's kind of fun. It's like you're shopping there with me. And now I'm back at home, and so I just wanted to share with you what I got while I was there. But first, that place is huge, you guys. It's 88,000 square feet. 88,000 square feet, can you believe it? It's huge. Over 700 booths. And the place is huge, you guys. So this is like, if you can see, this is like a map of the place. And there is the weaver room, the cannon room, the yarn room, the knitting room, and the cotton room. And of course there's the little cafe area where you can eat as well. So you can shop and eat. They also have a man cave area with a large flat screen TV for the guys to go in there and sit and lounge while their wife shops. So it's just such a fun place, you guys. I highly recommend it if you're in the Charlotte area, to be able to go to Concord right there and have some fun, have a girls' day of shopping. So the first thing I guess I will share with you that I got there was this super cute black and white quilt, framed wooden quilt. And I just love the black and white, of course. You guys know I love black and white stripe, black and white check, black and white toile, and even this quilt pattern here. I just love that. So I picked that up, and they took the price off to ring me up, so I'm trying to think what it was. I think it was like $12, I want to say. And then the next little thing I got was this cute little hanging basket, and it was super cheap. It was only $4 for that cute little basket. And so I think that will be super cute with maybe some spring little flowers in that for springtime. I was really thinking about spring while I was in there, and I got this cute little bunny. They actually left a little price on him, and he was $4, if you can see that, and 29 cents. So, so cute. He's a little concrete little bunny, and I was thinking for spring when I picked him up. And I also picked up these berries here. They're like, I don't know, I want to call them like a pit berry, but there's a name for them. I don't think pit berry is the right name, but I cannot think of the name right now. Sorry, guys. But take them out of here so you can see it better. But I was thinking spring. Really liked these berries. And how cute would that be even in this little basket? Let's see. I may have to cut the stems down a little bit to fit it in here better, but yeah, I'll have to cut the stems down, but that would be super cute even in a basket. Sorry guys, I've had this cough that just keeps lingering, so hopefully I won't keep coughing through this video. I'm going to try not to. Cannot get rid of my cough that I've had. The next thing I got was a super cute like garland, and it was actually considered Christmas, and so I got it on sale. It's like half off, so I got it for $7. It was originally $14. And it's so cute. It's got these little buttons and little, just cute little spools. And but I am not going to use it for Christmas, guys. I am going to use it for Valentine's Day. I'm going to either hang it on my Valentine tree. I'm going to do a tree this year for Valentine's Day. Or I'm going to maybe use it in my 3-tier tray to decorate for Valentine's. The next thing I purchased were these cute little cookie cutters. And I got 2 for $3 for both of these. And let's see, so I thought I'm going to do cookie cutters on my tree, I believe. And maybe in some other hearts and different things. So, and the other thing I got was this cute little, what do they call it? Oh, Anna Lee Be Mine, and it's from 2000, and this was $12, and I thought it was super cute. It says Be Mine. I think it's adorable, and I'm going to probably use it in my my 3-tiered tray, I believe, to decorate for Valentine's Day. I think that's where that's going to go anyways. And I just thought it looks so cute with this little garland. I just think that's just going to be adorable together with the little red and white checked ribbon that's on the garland. Matches the little chef outfit here on the Anna Lee doll. So let's see, what else did I get? I got this, so I'm thinking, guys, Valentine's in spring. So getting things to decorate for Valentine's in springtime. And I thought these little birds on this burlap pillow were super cute. This is just a small, cute little pillow. And I thought that was cute. I got that for, I think it was $8. They took the tag off, so I don't have any of the tags still on. Okay, the next thing I got is kind of funny in an antique mall, but you guys know I love the black and white checked, and I found these earrings there that a lady makes and sells jewelry in her booth there, and these were $12, and I thought those were super cute because I have shirts that this would be cute with. I also have a skirt and different things that would be super cute with. So also this shirt, it would be super cute with this shirt that I picked up there. And it says Gone Junkin'. If you guys can see that, the truck, it's so cute. Let me lift it up, make sure you can see it. There we go. It says Gone Junkin', and you guys know I love the black and white check. And it's a super cute denim shirt that somebody made. She was selling a bunch of these different kinds of shirts, though, like this, but had different things on them. And so I think that would be super cute with that. Right, guys? Adorable. Okay. So the next thing, oh, I almost forgot to show you this, is I was thinking spring as well when I bought this. And I'm going to do a really cute little spring vignette with this little watering can, and it's so cute. It's really little, and it's a smaller one. Usually these metal galvanized ones are really big, but this one is a smaller, cute little one, I think. And I can't remember how much this was. I believe it was $18 if I remember right. And I thought that was super cute though. It's gonna look so adorable with my spring vignette that I'm gonna do. And so yeah, that's it for the antique mall stuff. And oh, I got this, but not this time, but I've got it the last time we were in North Carolina, and it was actually my birthday, and we went to the same antique mall and a flea market in North Carolina. And my sister Tina, she got this for me, and it says Vintage Soul. And I just love that because I am a vintage soul. I love old stuff or things that look old. I love, you guys know I love vintage things or old things. And I just love houses with character and old houses and historic buildings and architecture and all that stuff. So, okay, so that is it. Hey guys, I just wanted to get back on here and show you a few more items that I almost forgot to share with you. I wanted to share with you some things that I bought while I was on my trip. And we also, besides going to the antique mall, we went to a thrift shop and also Ikea. So I'm going to be sharing with you some more things. So first off, I got this at the thrift store. I thought it would be so cute for Easter and even spring. It's adorable, and I got that for $4.50 at the thrift store. Hope you can see that. And the next things that I got at the thrift store was this cute little mason jar that's been painted, and it came with the hydrangea flowers inside, and that was $2 for that. I thought that was really cute. And then the next thing I got, just thinking about spring, guys. I'm not very good at keeping plants alive, so I usually like to buy the faux plants, and this was only $1 for the little pot and these flowers, and I thought this might be kind of cute sitting, using it outside for spring, so on my porch or patio area. And so I got that, and it was super cheap for $1. And the other thing I got, let me grab it, was this, I don't know what you call it, but the sides fold up, and you can put like napkins, or you know, you can use it for different things. Anyways, I got this, and it was brand new in the plastic still, and if you can see that, it was $1.99, and I thought that might be kind of cute for to use around Valentine's time. So that will kind of go with the red and white checked thing I got going here for Valentine's, so I think it'll be cute. And the other thing that I got for Valentine's was these cute little candles, and they were originally from Hallmark. They're still brand new in the, it's from Hallmark, and I got it for $2. And then let me go grab the other stuff just a minute. Okay, so then I got a box of ornaments, guys, and the whole box was marked, I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here, $2.50. And then it was actually half off of that. So, or no, sorry, it was 75% off of that price. So super cheap, guys. And what I was thinking I could use these for is, I might possibly use the red ones for Valentine's, but the green and the gold ones in here, there's a bunch of the green and the gold, so I thought that would be perfect for Mardi Gras, and then add in some purple ones. So I'll be decorating for Mardi Gras. I may even be able to use the green ones for St. Patty's decorations as well. So I thought that was a good find, and I'm going to be decorating for Mardi Gras right after Valentine's Day, so I'm thinking ahead and thinking about that as well. And then I picked up this red ribbon, and those were 50 cents each. I don't know if you can see the tag, but those are 50 cents each. I'm thinking for Valentine's Day to use those for. And then I got this one really big silver bell, and that was also 75% off of $1. So super cheap. I thought that was super cute.